Question 11c. Find the coefficients of x squared and x cubed in the expansion of 1 minus x over 2 in brackets to the power of 8. The expansion of a minus b to the power of n using the binomial theorem is n choose 0 times a to the power of n times negative 1 to the power of 0 times b to the power of 0 plus n choose 1 times a to the power of n minus 1 times negative 1 to the power of 1 times b to the power of 1 plus n choose 2 times a to the power of n minus 2 times negative 1 to the power of 2 times b to the power of 2 plus n choose 3 times a to the power of n minus 3 times negative 1 to the power of 3 times b to the power of 3 plus plus n choose r times a to the power of n minus r times negative 1 to the power of r times b to the power of r. In this case, a equals 1, b equals x over 2, and n equals 8. When r equals 2, the third term, t2, is equal to 8 choose 2 times 1 to the power of 8 minus 2 times negative 1 to the power of 2 times x over 2 to the power of 2, which equals 28 times 1 times x to the power of 2 over 4, which equals 7x to the power of 2. When r equals 3, t3 equals 8 choose 3 times 1 to the power of 8 minus 3 times negative 1 to the power of 3 times x over 2 to the power of 3, which equals 56 times 1 times negative 1 times x to the power of 3 over 8, which equals negative 7x to the power of 3. Therefore, the coefficient of x to the power of 2 is 7 and coefficient of x to the power of 3 is negative 7.